That's good. Yeah, just like that. Look at who we have here. Valerie is back. This time with Dreambelts. And looks nice. How does it feel? Is it nice and snug?
Good. Yeah. It's well.
It looks actually very nice on you. Good job. Turn around. I want to see the strap from the back. Eva, so this is what it looks like. I hope we make you proud today. Good job. All right, so let's get the mask on. So guys, one thing I wanted to point out, I put these two clips right at the back, just so the ears would stand up, because if I didn't put those wires in, it would flip right back in, so you would actually see the bunny ears standing up. Guys, call me crazy, but I think there's a bunny following me. Hi, Valerie.
Hi.
Keep going. Yep, it's good. Okay, keep moving. It's good.